Hi, welcome to Platform Mastery. In this video, I will show you how to create YouTube thumbnail with Midjourney. So here, we'll open our Discord account. Join on one of the Midjourney servers. To generate your image, type /imagine prompt. After here, input different keywords that describes your thumbnail that you want to produce. You can put here --V4 for the resolution and --AR 2:3 for aspect ratio. And press enter on your keyboard. Here, we have our image. We will use this to make a thumbnail in Photoshop. So here, I already created an image with the size of a YouTube thumbnail. Now, we'll put some text or title. And this is our final thumbnail using Midjourney and Photoshop. And that's it. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you get notified for our new uploaded videos. See you next time!